Today I got something exciting. This is an Ofil Luminar UV camera, and I'm getting some trial runs with it. And so what better to do a trial run with than using a voltage source, right? So I have this concoction set up over here. And I just want to demo and show you what I'm doing. This is in my garage right now. I have an air gap here. So this is just, ground coming in on the bottom, and you've got your hot clamped in up top. There's some thunderstorms going on outside. If you look at this measurement, it's about, and this is really hard to hold all of these at the same time, but it's about 2.5 inches of an air gap there. Okay, and so what are we going to do? Well, we're just going to apply voltage and watch what this thing does, okay? And so if you just bear with me for a second, I'm going to go over here to the tan delta test set, and I'm just going to run this thing for 30 minutes is what I'm going to do. But I'm going to do a manual test, okay? So I'm just going to go start, and I already have this set up. So it's just going to sit here and run, but I can tell this thing, let's go straight to about, we'll do 8 kV, okay? And so you can see it's going to start building a waveform here. There you go. And you can see nothing's happening over there yet. But if I come over here and I look at the camera, right, I don't have much going on at 8 kV, and that's because the voltage breakdown of the air isn't really being affected that much, right? The voltage applied, there you go. You're starting to see a little bit. Now, if I turned up my, my sensitivity, I can get that to pop up all over the screen. I have it turned down to about half right now. So what's going on is the voltage breakdown is not that bad, or the voltage is not that high compared to the breakdown of the air, even though we have a lot of humidity. So let's turn this up to about 10, and you can see you've got a 0.1 hertz waveform right there. So it's going to pulse on and off. We're not trying to apply a spark gap here, even though that's what it is. We're not trying to arc it, but we are going to watch it, right? And you can see there you go. So that's the positive. And then let's go negative. There you go. And so you can see that it starts to do that and pulses along with the frequency, right, as it hits amplitude. So if we get even higher in this, right, let's go ahead and go up to about 12 kV. And you can just ever so slightly hear it audibly over here. So let's come over here and look at this. Quite a bit more over here, right? It's getting louder and louder, actually. So let's go ahead and we're going to turn this back down so we can see what it looks like at around 10 kV. It's not as bad, but you can see that this is definitely trying to pick up the corona. There's no actual physical arcing that's going on here, but it is a breakdown of the air. So that is what this is intended to do. This camera it can zoom in really far, and it's intended to identify breakdown on insulators up on your lines. So hopefully this helps someone understand what UV cameras do, and thank you.